over $950, the amount that's stolen, that is a felony.
如果被盜的金額超過$950，就係重罪。
If they use any violence or force to take the item, or if they threaten the person who has the
如
item,
果佢哋使用任何暴力或武力嚟拿走物品，
that is
抑或
actually
如果常陽威
robbery,
脅擁有該物品常陽人，實際上係一起去打劫。
which is a more serious felony. So even if your employee is working and they try to stop someone from stealing and that person uses any type of violence or threats, that is a robbery.
係一個更嚴重雷重罪。因此，即使你的員工正在工作，他們試圖阻止某人偷竊，並且該人使用任何類型的暴力或威脅，那都是搶劫。